Guys, we woke up in Hawaii and I've been dying to do some beach makeup for literally weeks, so get ready with me. The most important part of this entire look, we're lathering ourselves in SPF. This is a tradition for Spencer's family to come to Hawaii after the holidays every year, and we didn't come last year because I had just given birth to Quinn, so we're really excited to be here this year. We don't really have a plan, we're just kind of relaxing on the beach this week, which is exactly what we need. I wasn't gonna do a skin tint, but I think I'm just gonna add a little bit of this Hourglass. I brought with me this House Labs shade that I don't think I have tried before. It's like red. This is Glassy Watermelon, but I feel like this formula will be perfect for beach makeup and will kind of give off like that sunburnt look. I'm gonna do like the tiniest dab of concealer in the inner corners just to help with a little bit of darkness and cover some of my veins on my eye. I've tried a bunch of faux freckles and I think my favorite has to be this Tarte pen. Like, it just looks the most natural. But like sometimes if the pigment is too strong, they just look really fake. Then what I do to make sure that they're extra blended is I go over that with the brush that I used to blend out my nose contour. Just kind of tap over the freckles. How cute is this Baby Fix Plus? Not gonna lie, I'm suffering a little bit from blush blindness today, but it's fine. I want like a natural lash look, so I'm just adding a little bit of this Essence mascara. All right guys, here is the final look. We are off to the beach.